Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist at Acupuncture and Herbal Therapies. Today I'm going to talk to you about some herbal remedies for hay fever. Hay fever, if you're dealing with it, can be extremely difficult whenever it comes around during hay fever season. One of the prime pollens that oftentimes affect us is one that comes from ragweed, but there's so many other pollens that may bother us. Here in Florida, we oftentimes deal with oak pollen, ragweed, and a variety of other ones such as goldenrod that can all be a problem. So there's a number of different remedies that we can use herbally or from supplements that can be very, very helpful for dealing with this hay fever. Eyebright is one of my favorite herbs that we can make a tea out of in isolation or oftentimes in combination. And because we're oftentimes suffering during that allergy season, one of the things I like to use is some of the ones that have already combined a variety of the things together that can be so helpful, such as Allergy Ease. This particular one uses things like bromelain, MSM, vitamin C, mullein, eyebright, and so many other herbs that are all very effective. There's even some other good things that, oddly enough, that comes from a bush called ambrosia. Ambrosia is actually the Latin name for ragweed. And so there comes from a great herbalist named Sevensong up in the Northeast, who's found that the leaf of the ragweed, before it goes into bloom, is an effective cure to help with the symptoms of hay fever that come from the ragweed plant when it goes into flower and releases its pollens. So there's many options herbally for you out there for dealing with your hay fever. So it's important, if you're unable to have the success beforehand finding your own herbal remedies, find a qualified herbalist, acupuncturist, or an MD who's familiar with natural remedies in order to help you find the best approach for dealing with the hay fever that can be so rough during such wonderful times of the year. This is Bob Lindy at Acupuncture and Herbal Therapies, talking to you about herbal remedies for hay fever. So please enjoy your herbs.